All right, problem number 6 is exactly like problem number 4, except for with just different numbers. So circumference equals 52.78 meters. Radius, we don't know what it is. We don't even have anything written on our picture there because we don't need it. We know a radius goes from as a line that goes from the center to the outer edge of the circle. We don't actually need to see that visual because we're smart enough to know that. What we really need to know is what formula are we going to use? How do I get my equation? I type in what I know. I substitute the values into my formula of what I knew, and then I use my order of operations to solve. I also remember how it was that I solved for equations when it just comes to solving for a variable that is not isolated already. It's not by itself. So refer to the video for problem number 4 to remind you what to do when solving for a radius if you have a circumference. I'm not going to walk you exactly through this problem because I know you'll be able to reference problem number 4 video, and be able to walk through this problem on your own. If you do have any questions, let me know. Other than that, you're going to check to make sure your answer is in the answer bank on that slide, so that way you can copy and paste your picture in there to find the identity of the person we're trying to solve for today.